Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can generate cartoon videos using AI. So if you want to use AI for generating cartoon videos and you want to do it for free, you are at the right video. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can do that. First of all, what you have to do is open ChatGPT and type here the type of cartoon video you want to make. So I will just type here, I want to make a simple cartoon video where the character, I will type here scene so that we will not take any time, is playing baseball. I'll just type here that, and then I will type here, give me prompts for image generation that I will then convert to video. So this is my prompt. I will type enter. I will select enter. Then it will give us the prompts, guys. So right now we have 10 prompts and now we will make it to real life. So what we can do is we can copy the first prompt and we have to paste it. None other than Leonardo AI, guys. It is going to help us. So I will type here image generation, and right now what we will do is we will copy the first prompt. Then I will just select the ratio and I will generate first, and then I will generate the second one. Then I will generate the third one. Then I will generate the fourth one. So yeah, I will do 4, guys, for the sake of the video. You can, generate it however you want. So right now we have this first image, then we have this second, third and fourth. So yeah, we have to choose the best images, and right now what I can think is this image looks good, so I'll just download it. So let's download it. Then I will download this, guys. After that I will download the third image, which will look more better. This looks good. Download this. After that what I will do is I will copy and download the last one. So all of the links are in the description, guys. You can just go to description and use the tools. I will provide you all the links. You can just go to the description and go to this website. So I will just download the fourth one. I know it contains text. I don't know how it will look, but yeah, for the sake of the video, let's do that. So now what I will do is use this AI, guys, which is called Hello AI. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys, but I think you guys know Hello AI. What we will do is we'll go to create, then I will upload the photo here, the first photo. Then I will give the prompt which we have through ChatGPT right now. Yeah, let's copy this, paste the prompt. Then I will generate the video right now by clicking on the button. So right now it is generating. Let's copy the second image. Let's copy the prompt, paste it again, then the third prompt and the third image, and then the fourth prompt and the fourth image. So let's see, guys, how it will turn out. I think it will turn out pretty fine, guys. So right now it can only generate 3 at a time. So let's wait for the one image to generate. Then what we will do is we will use the create button to create the fourth video, guys, and let's see how it will turn out. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see on the screen right now, this is the video we have generated using this AI application, guys. So it's pretty good, guys. You can generate it by providing better prompts, and you can use better images and better concept. I have just provided you the blueprint, guys. You can just create anything you want and you can create more better than this. All of the links are in the description, guys. You can use these websites. And thanks for watching this video, guys. For more AI related videos, subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.